Puppies, 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 puppies. There you are. Hi. Look at all you guys. Yeah. Yes. Look at all you guys.
These cute little guys are transfers from Wan. They couldn't find these cute little guys home, so we took them in because we know everyone when they hear puppies wants to adopt them. There's 6 total, 4 are males and 2 are females. Their adoption fee would be $250. They are already fixed. I think the only thing that they need left is their rabies, so they're pretty much ready to go. As you can see, they're very playful and they need really good loving homes.
These cute little puppies are Akita and Labrador Retriever mix. Of the 6, 2 of the males are on hold, and pre-adopts are being accepted for the other 4. Adoption fee will include spay and neuter, microchip, up-to-date vaccinations, flea and tick preventative, dewormer, and heartworm test. You can check out these adorable puppies during adoption hours, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays from 1 to 5:30 p.m. If you cannot make these times, call and set up an appointment at 507-625-6373 or email us at rrps@hickorytech.net. Riverside Regional Pet Shelter is a no-kill shelter located 1250 North River Drive in Mankato between Quick Trip and Mankato Harley-Davidson. This video, courtesy of Presence Maker.